Well, hello and welcome back to yet another incredible video. I am again out here on the streets traveling for work, and I wanted to make sure that you guys get a little bit of content. So what we're doing here is just taking a look at some of my recent DIYs that I have made. Also put in the comments if you've tried out any of these or if you have any great ideas that I should give a shot for my upcoming videos. Thank you guys as always, and know that you can come back here and be okay with us.